If you'd like to change the way Vivaldi looks and where its interface elements are positioned, you can do that in just a few clicks using Vivaldi's built-in layout presets. In this video, I'll show you how to switch between them and find the one that works best for you. The quickest way to access this setting is by pressing Ctrl F12 on your keyboard. No matter which layout you're currently using, this shortcut will open Vivaldi's settings menu directly. Once settings open, select Appearance from the menu on the left side. Near the top of the page, you'll find the Layout Presets section. Here, Vivaldi offers several different layouts that change how the browser interface is organized. The simple layout provides a clean and minimal browsing experience with fewer visible interface elements. The classic layout is the traditional Vivaldi design and is the one most users are familiar with. The left side and right side layouts move key browser elements to the corresponding side of the window, which can be useful on wider displays. The auto-hide layout keeps interface elements hidden until you need them, giving you more screen space for web pages. And the bottom layout places the main controls at the bottom of the browser window, which some users find more convenient depending on their workflow. Simply click on any layout preset to preview it and instantly switch to that layout. Feel free to try each one and see which feels most comfortable, as you can switch between them at any time. That's all there is to it. Vivaldi makes it easy to customize the browser's appearance and adapt it to the way you like to work. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more Vivaldi tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.